Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to mark sales invoices as paid in Zoho Books. This is essential for keeping your financial records accurate and ensuring your accounts reflect received payments correctly. First, open your web browser and head over to www.zoho.com/books. This is where you'll access your Zoho Books account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on Sign In. Enter your Zoho credentials to log into your account and access your dashboard. After logging in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find the main navigation menu. Click on Sales, which will expand to reveal several options related to your sales activities. From this expanded menu, select Invoices. This takes you to a comprehensive list of all the invoices you've created in your account. Now, scroll through your invoice list and locate the specific invoice you want to mark as paid. Click directly on the invoice number to open it. This brings up the full invoice details, showing you all the information about that particular transaction. At the top right of the invoice page, you'll see a button labeled Record Payment. Click on it to begin the payment recording process. This is where you'll enter all the details about the payment you've received from your customer. In the form that appears, start by entering the amount received. This should match the payment your customer has sent you. Next, select the payment date from the calendar picker, indicating when the payment was actually made. It's important to use the correct date for accurate financial reporting. Now, choose the payment mode from the drop-down menu. Options typically include bank transfer, cash, check, or other methods depending on how your customer paid. Then, select the appropriate bank account in the Deposit to field. This tells Zoho Books which account the funds went into. If you need to add context or keep records organized, you can add notes in the provided field or attach relevant files like payment receipts. This step is optional but helpful for future reference. Finally, click Save as Paid at the bottom of the form. This action marks the invoice as paid in your system, updates your accounts receivable, and keeps your financial records current. And there you have it. You've successfully marked a sales invoice as paid in Zoho Books, ensuring your records accurately reflect your business transactions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.